Hey traders from around the world, how are you? It's me, Jeremy Alexander Newsome with reallifetrading.com. Welcome to 2018. I hope you had an absolutely majestic New Year's. Want to celebrate and welcome the new year with you. I hope this 2018 brings you all of your heart's desires, wishes, and blessings, and I hope you have incredible wealth and phenomenal health. You are amazing. All right. So it's January, you know what that means. Every single month at Real Life Trading, we have a new theme. The theme in January is going to be Extra Income Month. Now, as you know, I usually like to have a theme that doesn't have a specific tie to trading, but maybe an ulterior tie to trading. Of course, making extra income is always an exciting thing, and I want you to be exponentially profitable with your trading in 2018 and of course in January. But this particular challenge is specifically job related. If you have a job, if you work for someone else, here's your challenge. Your challenge is to ask for a raise this month in January. That's your challenge, that's your task, okay? From me to you. Now, if you just had a job raise, or if you just had a promotion, or maybe you're scared or something like that, it's entirely okay. You're gonna have to do it anyway, right? No one's ever gotten fired for asking for a raise. This is the best way I think you should probably go about it. Go up to your boss, whoever's in charge, and you say, "Hi boss, person in charge, here's what I would like to achieve in 2018. Here's what I would like to achieve in January. I would like to receive X amount of dollars more per annual increase, or per month, or per week, however you want to structure it, up to you, but go up and present a specific number. Here's how much I would like to make in 2018, or in January, or every single month, or week, or day, or per hour, whatever it is. What do I need to do? What kind of value do I need to bring to the company and to you in order to achieve those results?" Ask them that like that. And overall, I think you're gonna get a pretty good response. So that's gonna be your challenge. Now, if you are self-employed, right? Or you work for yourself, you're a contractor, you're a freelancer, your job, your task is very simple. Simply charge more for your service or your product that you're selling. That simple. Even if it's $5 more a unit, $5 more an hour, even if it's a small incremental increase, you've got to do it. Now, most self-employed people or contractors or freelancers have that fear that if I charge more, I'm gonna get less clients. Yeah, that's exactly what you want, actually. You want less clients when you make more money per client. Here's an example. Let's say you charge $100 an hour for whatever service or product or whatever you're doing, charge $100 an hour and you have 10 clients a week, right? That's $1,000 in revenue overall. What if that exact same mathematical stance, you simply double your fee from $100 to $200 per hour or per unit or per service or whatever it is? You probably will have half of your clientele drop off. So instead of getting 10 clients, you'll have 5. But 5 clients at 200 is the exact same amount of revenue as 10 clients at 100. So theoretically, you simply work less and achieve the exact same results. Ha! Pretty nifty, huh? So those are your 2 challenges, my friends, in January of this month. Ask for a raise if you're working, and if you're self-employed, charge more. And if you're neither one of those, if you're fully retired and you're just simply trading, that's okay. Figure out some other way to increase additional income. I will, of course, include the video I made with Brad Reed this time last year, where we talked about how to make more money. And that was a very successful, incredible, and phenomenal video. A lot of people had a lot to take away from that, especially me. I loved it, had an incredible time making it. I saw some phenomenal and fantastic results in 2017 just from that video. In fact, here's a picture of my Fiverr orders in just 2017 alone. That was something that we mentioned in that particular webinar. Made over $1,000 just on the side from Fiverr, from an online process. My friends, I wanna see you make extra income. I wanna see you grow in abundance. I wanna see you grow in wealth. I wanna see you be happier. And of course, I want to see you enrich lives with real life trading. Thank you for watching this video. You are amazing. And until next time, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. I'll see you later.